Monkey keeps hearing about a recession. Other monkeys all say, "The recession is coming! Beware the recession! Hold on to your banana!" No, that banana. Here it comes! But wait, what is a recession? Monkey economists debate this very much, but they all agree recession bad. Recession is when monkey countries' GDP go down. GDP stands for Gross Domestic Product. It's the total of all monkey countries' goods and services. This is what most monkey economists use to calculate the size of monkey countries' economy. Some monkey countries have small GDP. Anyone want to buy a coconut? And some have large GDP. If a monkey country's GDP goes down for at least 2 quarters in a row, many economists say this is a recession. A recession can last anywhere from a few months, this will be over soon, to many years. Is it over yet? Where am I? If monkey country GDP go down small amount, this called a technical recession. If a lot, this called a depression. Wait, can you make it simpler? I have an exam coming up and my professor is really tough. Is he okay? Okay, basically, economy, leaves moving around. Technical recession, leaves moving around slower. Recession, leaves moving around much slower. Depression, leaves moving around way slower. Also, monkeys sad. How a recession actually starts. Recession usually start when there is shock to monkey economy. Shocks like monkey natural disaster, monkey pandemic, monkey war, monkey politicians acting bananas, or lots of monkeys investing in something that keeps growing until it doesn't. But recession can also be triggered by things like supply and demand not being balanced, inflation going up, interest rates, aka the cost of borrowing leaves from monkey bank going up, too many monkeys in debt they can't pay back. Even just the fear of recession can cause recession. So, what happens during a recession? It's a vicious cycle. When a recession starts, there is shock to monkey economy. Let's say oil prices go up, which means most monkeys spend less. This means monkey businesses make less profit, which means monkey bosses have to fire monkey workers, which means monkey workers now unemployed and spending less, which means monkey businesses make less profit, and so on. Monkey poverty goes up. Monkeys have social unrest. Monkey government unstable. But it's sometimes hard for monkeys to tell if they're in a recession until it's over. Recessions are like monkey's good old days. He doesn't know he's in them until he's left them. But there are some signs. Monkeys call these recession indicators. There are 2 types of recession indicators: monkey businesses struggling and everyday monkeys struggling. Some recession indicators for monkey businesses would be monkey companies rebranding leftovers as new products, monkey movie studios releasing sequels no one asked for, just for a cash grab, or monkey billboard companies advertising other monkey billboard companies. While recession indicators for everyday monkeys would be monkeys not going to live music, monkeys paying for a banana in installments, or monkey YouTubers making videos about recessions. So basically, that's how Wait, what's that noise? Is that a rap beat? No, come on. This is a channel that explains money with monkeys and bananas. There's no need for an educational rap segment. Here to talk to you apes. about recessions. I don't have much time here in this rap session. Prices are rising up like demonic possessions. Seeing the signs, that's my new obsession. So broke, can't even afford to see obsession. Concession, this recession is everywhere. It's got no discretion. It's causing me depression. Quick pause, here's my best Trump impression.
The economy is great. Great economy. Quite frankly, the best economy in the world. Certainly better than China.
Damn recession, got me in my feels. Monkey want banana, but can't afford the peel. I save my leaves just to watch them leave. Please, I got little monkey mouths to feed. Oil prices up, banana car running on empty. Wanna get to the jungle, but all I got is a 20. You're probably bored of this rap. All monkey saying is boo-hoo, blah, blah. You wanna change this beat? All you gotta say is I am the best monkey, forget all the rest. I take this game to a whole new level. If you can do any better, be my guest. But I promise you this ape is special. These times are hard, these monkeys are broke, but that ain't gonna stop me from bringing the smoke. I am the greatest educational ape. This ain't a recession, why recession shape? Monkeys are out here losing their way. Make it simple, that is my only quest. I get your comments every single day. Thank you for helping me pass my finance test. I do this for the people, not just for the kicks. But now we're nearing the end of the lesson, so I just have one final question. Who does it better than primate economics? I'm a real artist and monkeys are my brush. No, there's no AI, I draw all these bits. Quality takes time and I will not rush. ChatGPT, why don't you prompt this? Straight smoking these fools, ain't no vape. This mic's so hot, it's screaming, get your hands off me, you damn dirty ape! Okay, while we clean this up, a quick word from today's sponsor, Bamboo Lab. Recessions are bad. Monkey loses job, monkey loses savings, monkey starts Googling, can banana peel be claimed as a tax deduction? So how is monkey going to make it through the recession? Not with buying stuff, but making it. And that's where the brand new Bamboo Lab A2L comes in. Old school 3D printing was complicated. Monkey had to level things, calibrate things, adjust things, sacrifice things to the printer gods. But the A2L does all that automatically. Monkey just presses print. It also has a huge build volume, which means instead of printing one banana at a time, Monkey can print a whole pile of bananas in one go. Monkey doesn't have to waste time or money buying parts online. Now Monkey can just print them. And if Monkey wants multiple colors, the AMS light automatically swaps filaments during the print. No Monkey intervention required. But what if Monkey doesn't know what to print? That's where Maker World comes in. Maker World has millions of free designs created by the community. Monkey opens the Bamboo Handy app, finds thing, taps print, and printer starts making thing. It's basically Monkey see thing, Monkey want thing, Monkey print thing. Repeat. And Bamboo Lab has also launched PLA Pure, a filament made from just 5 ingredients derived from corn and sugarcane. It meets strict safety and emissions standards, making it great for printing around the home. In fact, all these prints were made using PLA Pure. No, that doesn't mean you should eat it. Give me that. Hey, give me that. Spend less time fighting with technology. Paper jam? What do you mean paper jam? Damn you 2D printers! And more time creating things. Check out Bamboo Lab using the link in the description. How do governments help? Monkey government can try to fix a recession, unless they started it in the first place. They can give out leaf stimulus checks, cutting banana taxes, and subsidizing businesses, basically paying for stuff for them. Monkey governments can build new things, which creates more monkey jobs. Things like monkey roads, monkey bridges, and monkey public transport. But the main thing monkey governments do is lower interest rates. Interest is cost of borrowing leaves, and the rates is how expensive it is to borrow them. When monkey government lower interest rates, it make it cheaper for monkey businesses to borrow leaves, which mean monkey businesses can expand and hire new monkeys, which mean monkey workers can now spend more leaves. So, how do recessions end? Recessions do end, don't they? Yeah, sure. It'll be fine. The 1920s Great Monkey Depression took 10 plus years to bounce back. The 2008 monkey housing crisis took 2 years. And the 2020 monkey pandemic was less than 1 year. Okay, but how does a recession actually end? Remember the GDP? Yeah. Gorillas do Pilates.
Gross domestic product.
Yeah, that's what I said. Basically, after shock to economy dies down and with monkey government's help, GDP usually starts to go back up. Monkeys' businesses hire more monkey workers again. Monkeys start spending their leaves. Monkey businesses make more profits. Economy recovers. How to prepare for a recession. This is not financial advice. Please do not sue Monkey. If Monkey is starting to see recession indicators, Monkey can prepare. Save an emergency leaf fund of 3 to 6 months of expenses. Try to pay off debt. Try. Cut Monkey expenses unless you really don't want to. Diversify Monkey investments. And make sure Monkey is educated to stay competitive in Monkey job market. What could cause the next recession? There's not going to be another recession, right? No. I mean, unless you're worried about housing prices going up, rent prices going up, grocery prices going up, gas prices going up, tuition prices going up, cost of living, everything being a subscription, subscriptions having ads even though you pay for them, AI taking your job, AI taking your art, AI taking everyone's water, getting taxed more than billionaires, getting taxed more than huge corporations, getting taxed more than the president, social media stealing your data, social media selling your data, social media training AI with your data, and climate change. Huh? What was that? Sorry, I was watching this video. Have you seen it? Classic. Anyway, monkeys now understand recessions. Subscribe for more Monkey explaining money. And as always, apes, together, strong. If monkeys want to learn more about money, check out these videos.